Many times it happens in an Excel sheet that we have to separate the name and surnames from a list of given names in the Excel sheet. Like this. Here we have the names. We have taken 30 names for example, and here are the names and surnames separated. So how do we achieve that? Is it possible for us to write every time the name of each person and separately enter their surnames for every name? Obviously it's not a feasible way, or obviously it's not a way that we should follow. There are two shortcut ways to do that. I'll show you. So please stay with us till the end of the video. Hello friends, welcome to my new channel RG's Computer Tips and Tricks. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. So here is the list of full names of 30 people. Now we need to separate the name and the surname of every person. Now how to do that? I'll show two different ways and two of them are super easy to do. You can follow whichever you like. So let's see the first process. For the first process, we will select all the rows with the names and bring the pointer here at the rightmost side of the column and press the control key on the keyboard. You can see the key press is showing here. So we will press the control key and bring the pointer here, so it will show a plus sign beside the pointer. Now we can simply drag all the rows or all the data to the next column. Now here it shows all the names with surnames. Now we need to separate the names from here. How to do that? We will press Ctrl H on the keyboard. That will open the find and replace dialog box. You see, we press the Ctrl and H. Now find what? In the find what field, we will type space and star, and we will leave the replace with field blank. Then simply we will click on replace all. All done. We made 30 replacements. Close. So you see all the surnames removed just in one click. Isn't it easy? Now the second part is we need to remove the first names and keep the surnames. So again we will select all the rows with the data, press the control key, drag it to the required column, and here also having those rows selected, we will press the Ctrl H key. That will again open the find and replace dialog box. Here instead of typing space and star, we will type star or asterisk and space, and this time also we will leave the replace with field blank. Then we will click on replace all. 30 changes done. Okay, close. So here you can see all the surnames are separated from the full names. In this way we can do it very easily, but there is one problem with this. If we make any change here in the name, those changes will not reflect in these names and surnames. So that is one issue with this process. Like here it is Arav Sharma. If we change the surname here like Arav Pandey, the surname here will not change. So that is a big issue with this process. Again we have to either type it manually or copy it from here and paste it here. But this is not the proper way to do this thing. I will show you another method by which you can separate name and surname, and that will also automatically update when we make any change to the full names. So I am deleting all the names and surnames from here. Now we need to write a formula. What is the formula? That is equal to replace bracket start. The first cell number we can select it from here, A2, then search bracket start, within bracket space and star, within text we will select A2 again, close the bracket. Then we have to select the number of characters to replace. We will select length of A2 and then new text is blank. This formula will simply extract the first name from the full name of the person. This is also very simple. And now how to extract the surname from the name? Here also we need to write a formula that is equal to replace A2, the cell name, start number from 1, number of characters is search, double quote space, within text A2, then comma, and new text is blank. This will extract the surname from here, that is Pandey. Now what we will do, we will simply drag it from top to bottom of the list, and that will simply extract the name and surname from the full names list. In this way, if we make any change in the full name list, it will automatically reflect in the surname field. So both this process I have shown to you are very easy. You can follow whatever you like, but the second process is a bit advanced because it automatically updates the surname or name if we make any change in the full name column. So please write in the comments which method of extracting names and surnames from a full name you liked, and obviously if you like the video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to Archie's Computer Tips and Tricks. We will meet again in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice time. Thank you.